Well, the question here actually is how do I reform the banking industries and assisting them? Well, there's no problems about that. And we have discussed so many issues about these old banking reforms. At former Diamond Bank managers and directors, I was one of the shareholders within Diamond Bank and Co. After then, I proceeded further to Access Banks. As in, I was holding Access Banks for a very long time. Now, still the present chairman of Access Bank. After some years, when my code structures are like hard bars, so we will be able to work with us then as co-members in the banking sectors and the reforms. We actually did how we could assist most of the banking sectors in Nigeria, especially the microfinance banking. Of course, the people are asking how do I actually became the chairman again of Sure Money Banking PLC. That's my personal bank in Nigeria that I don't cooperate with any other persons, unlike the Access Banks and Guarantee Trust Bank and Guarantee Co. And we are the pioneer shareholders of these banks, and we're working in understanding how to be able to push new face in the industries as in motorizing the small scale banking industries, in ensuring that there is likely a way of assisting how we could be able to assist them in ensuring that there are various objectives being met, which are also part of the idea involved in bringing all this whole idea. We looked at how to demerit most of the unwanted banking sectors that were not in focus. So we actually dedicated our time to ensure that there are room for other bankers, banking industries to take place. And I work towards that to ensure that there is room for everybody. So I understand that we working as co-members, as owner of the banking industry and the sectors. Of course, for joining the sectors, you have to be collaterally balanced. If you're not collaterally balanced, there's no way you can be a member of the Access Bank or GTB Bank as ownership. It's an ownership bank that you have buildings, warehousing, and all that. That are ownerships, infrastructures, buildings, cars that you support the banking. When reforming, you can be able to support most of the contractors who are working, assist them how to be able to build most of the ATMs that are needed, build them, your structures based on each and any of us contributions towards